Good morning. Today we will continue to study about the conference while we study the fourth type of clauses. The second conference, the certificate for verifying his stamina are awarded from the principal to the boy is stated in the second type of clause because the speaker can change the perspective to state the clause. In this clause, the speaker states the clause from the perspective of the direct object, the certificate for verifying his stamina in the previous clause. The original clause is stated in the first type of clause. The principal awards the boy the certificate for verifying his stamina. In this clause, the direct objects are these: the certificate for verifying his stamina. From the subject, the direct object, the certificate for verifying his stamina, are conveyed to the indirect object, the boy. The indirect object, the boy, receives the definition of the transitive verb award, as well as the direct object, the certificate for verifying his stamina. In this clause, the speaker focuses on the direct object, the certificate for verifying his stamina. So we can understand that the definition of the transitive verb award starts from the subject, the principal, and the direct object receives the definition of the transitive verb award from the subject. Firstly, this can be the reason why the principal became the object of the preposition from, because the direct objects are in the midst of the subject and the indirect object. The definition of the transitive verb and the direct object are heading to the indirect object, the boy. This can be the reason. This is the reason why the indirect object, the boy, became the object of the preposition to. The be verb and the past participle awarded describe the subject that were originally the direct object in the exemplary clause. The speaker describes the condition of the subject with the past participle awarded that has the trait of the objective to practice the role of the subjective complement. So this clause is stated in the second type of clause. There is the third conference stated from the perspective of the indirect object, the boy.